Hi, welcome to this lecture. Now that we understand classes and objects, let's dive deeper into how we add behaviors and store information using instance variables and methods. Instance variables are data that belong to a specific object. Each object has its own copy. Here is an example. Class dog. Here we are defining a class dog. Here self.name is an instance variable and bark is a method, a function defined inside a class. When you create an object like d equals dog max, d.bark, it prints Max says woof. Every dog object you create will have its own name and its own behavior when calling bark. These instance methods help define what your objects can do. Just like a real dog can bark or sit, your objects will have methods that define their actions. This concept is crucial because it helps us package data with behavior, or you can say functions. Yes, package data with functions, keeping related functionality grouped together inside the object. See you in our next lecture where we will take a look at class variables and class methods.